Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of Dropbox. You will click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Dropbox. In this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. And here in this page you will turn on your airplane mode. And then you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.